Okay, so last night I canned up some garbanzo beans and garlic cloves so that today I can make hummus. All right, and so I'm going to swing you around here and show you what the ingredients are. Okay, so the ingredients that you're going to need, and I'm making two different kinds. Okay, so you'll need, we're making roasted red pepper hummus and an olive hummus. So you will need at least 2 jars, and these are the half pints that I canned up last night. And they're in half pints only because I ran out of pints. Okay, so 2 for each recipe. One lemon for each recipe. Tahini. Now, the tahini, you can use any kind of nut butter that you want. You can use peanut butter, cashew butter, almond butter. You know, it's all whatever taste you think you're going to like. The tahini, it's basically sesame seeds. And they're in a oil solution. Okay, and then there is grapeseed oil and a little bit of cumin. Okay, so that all gets blended in the food processor. I really don't have a recipe. You do want to save the liquid of the garbanzo beans just for texture. Did you see the garlic clove fall in there?
Isn't it? Great.
Woo, it's in there. My good food processor
Is in a box.
is in a box somewhere.
I have the same one Grandma has. Mine has all the attachments there.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Is it in a box too?
Mm-hmm. It's accessible.
Oh, accessible.
Like, I gotta climb, but... I know it's general vicinity, which is more than I can say. Oh, beautiful.
That is the garlic, and look how soft.
Yeah.
It
It already smells like a perfect batch of hummus.
Before I add any more, I'm going to add the tahini, I think.
It's right here. Let me get something else to stir it up.
Yeah. Due to operator error, I lost some footage. And I got a message that said my camcorder failed, but I'm sure I did something. I always do something. So anyhow, I think the last thing that you saw was me putting the tahini in the food processor. What you didn't see was me adding the cumin, the grapeseed oil, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, and I probably added some more broth, for lack of a better term, because it's a textural thing to get it to where you want it. So the video jumps to the end and you see the finished products. Okay, I also divided these videos into 2 videos because they were just getting too long. All right. I'm sorry. I'll try to do better next time. Alright, so there you have it. You have the olive hummus and a roasted red pepper hummus, and then your little pita chip.